Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2013 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.